back. So we spent a little bit of time talking about simplifying radicals. Now today what we're going to talk about is adding and subtracting those radicals together. Almost like, we'll talk about it more, it's almost like combining like terms, right? We're going to take certain square roots, we're going to combine them together. So let's get something up here on the board. Let's say I had, 11 square root of 5s. Bang. All right. Now let's talk about exactly what we have here. Now what I have here is 11 square root of 5s. I can have 1 square root of 5, I can have 3 square root of 5s. Right here I have 11 of them. I have 11 square root of 5s. Some people, when you get further along in math, you might just say 11 root 5. But for now, we're just going to call that exactly what it is. 11 square root of 5. All right. Now, to these 11 square root of 5s, I want to add some square root of 5s. Let's do that. Bam. All right. So we're going to take these 11 square root of 5s and we're going to add 4 square root of 5s to it. So what we're really combining are just these coefficients in front of the square root of 5s. Think combining like terms. Imagine this situation. So what would you do here? Would you add the x's together? No, because that's kind of what we're doing. I got 11 of these x's, and I'm going to add 4 of those x's to it. How many x's does that leave me? Exactly right, 15 x's. Now, if this was a different letter, I could not add those together because it wouldn't be like terms. And likewise, if these square roots were not exactly the same, I could not add those square roots together. So if that's the case, if I have 11 square root of 5s and I add to it 4 square root of 5s, you know how many square root of 5s I have at the end? 15 square root of 5s. Let me show you another example. Maybe that'll help sink it in. Okay. This is a different situation. Now let's inspect the square roots here. Let's read what we got here. I got 4 square root of 3s, and I'm trying to add to that. How many square root of 2s is this? What's that little coefficient? What's the number? What number do you think is in front of here? Exactly right. That invisible 1. Okay. However, if I have a square root of 3 and I try to add to it a square root of 2, are those the same square roots? No. So, there's nothing we can do here. This is as simplified as it can get. I cannot combine these two things together because they are different square roots. You cannot add together 2 square roots that are different. However, sometimes you might be able to simplify. Let's talk about another example. Bang! Okay, so when I first look at this, those square roots are different. 45 is not the same as 20. This square root is different from this square root. I can't combine them together. I can't add or subtract them together. However, you might be able to simplify. Yeah, so can you break that 45 down into its factors and look for pairs and pull them out? Yeah. Bang. Yeah. Can you do the same with that 20? Yeah. Bang. Now look, do they have the same square roots now? Sure do. Yep. So can I put them together now? Sure can. 3 square root of 5s minus 2 square root of 5s leaves me how many square root of 5s? Exactly right. Ooh. Is that 1 supposed to be there? That 1's supposed to be invisible. Get that out of there. Bang. Ooh, box. Nice. All right, try to practice.